Morning. So in this recording, we're going to be looking at transformations, specifically translations. There are 4 types of transformations: translations, rotations, reflections, and enlargements. After you've watched this one, I would watch the other 3 as well. So a translation is the movement of a shape around a grid, and we use a vector to describe that movement. The top number in the vector tells you how many places, right or left, the shape has been moved. And the number at the bottom of the vector tells you how many places up or down. So let's say we had 2, 3. That would mean the shape's gone 2 right and 3 up. So how do we know if it's right or left? How do we know if it's up or down? So if it's a positive number, it's positive 2 here. So it would be we moved right. And if it was a positive number at the bottom, it would mean the shapes were moved up. If it's a negative number, the shapes were moved left. And a negative number at the bottom means the shapes were moved down. So I'm going to talk you through these 3 questions here. And then I'll give you some to have a go at yourself. What you could do maybe is print screen this, print it out so you can work on the same questions as I'm doing, or you can message me and I can send you the questions so you can write over them as you're doing it. Okay, so I put a cross in a corner. I'm going to choose this one. That number means you go 3 right because it's positive. And this number means you go 1 up because that's positive. So I take my cross and I go 1, 2, 3 right, 1 up. Make sure that cross is the bottom right-hand side, bottom right-hand corner of your shape, because it's got to be like exactly the same. Doesn't matter where you draw the cross, as long as you draw the shape exactly from there. So here's my translated shape. Again, doesn't matter what corner you choose. I'm going to choose this one. So that 2 at the top means you go 2 right, minus 2 at the bottom this time means you're going down. So I take the cross, I go 2 right, and I go 2 down. And again, that's got to be the top right-hand corner of my triangle. So you draw it in the exact same position here. And what about this one? Let's choose a corner. That means you go 0 up or down, sorry, 0 right or left. So I'm just going to put a little cross there. We're not moving the shape right or left at all. And we're going 5 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I draw, that's the bottom right hand corner of the shape. So it needs to be like this. Or like this. So just to summarize, the number at the top of the vector tells you how many places right or left you're going. If it's positive, you're going right. Negative, you go left. Number at the bottom tells you how many places up or down. If it's positive, this is a +1 here. If it's not, there's no sign before the number, it's positive, isn't it? You go up. It's negative, you go down. Okay, can you have a go at these 4 questions? Oh, sorry. Let me just do this. So if you do want to print screen, maybe wait until it's a bit bigger. Right, can you have a go at these questions, please? Put me on pause and I'll go through them when you're done. Okay, here. Cross goes here. Doesn't matter if you've got it in a different place, but your shape should be the exact same position as mine once it's been translated. You're going 2 right and you're going 3 down. So I go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And I draw a shape from there with a ruler. I'll just check it. Gone 1, 2, right, 3 down. Okay, this means 6 right, 1 up. Start from here, I think, this time. 6 right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 up. So that needs to be the bottom right-hand corner of a triangle. Translated shape should be in that exact position. Let me choose, I think I'll choose this corner this time. So -1, now we've got a negative number, that's left, isn't it? And then 5 up. So 1 left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. So just make sure your T shape looks exactly like this. And then last one here, -3 means you go 3 left, -2 means you go 2 down. It's going to start there, 3 left, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2 down. Shape needs to start from there. Okay, hopefully all your shapes look like this, but we've got one more thing to do, so don't go anywhere. Right, we need to do the opposite of that. We need to be able to describe a translation. So just be careful here. Put a cross in your shape, but your cross has to go in the exact same place in your other shape. Because we're going to use a vector to describe our translation, because that's in the bottom right-hand corner. It needs to be in the bottom right-hand corner. Okay, so how many spaces right have we gone? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need 5 positive at the top. How many places up have we gone? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it should be 5, 4. So don't forget, if you've gone left, you need a negative number at the top. And if you go down, you need a negative number at the bottom. So here's my vector to describe these translations. So for each of these translations, can you provide the vector, please? Put me on pause, unpause when you're done. Okay, so here, from there to there, you've gone 1 right, so put a 1 at the top. 6 down, so a -6 there. Oh, sorry, I should say, actually, we're going from A to B always. Just make sure you've gone from A to B here. So A to B. Did we go from A to B here? Yes, we went from A to B. Right, A to B. So just hope you might have gone the other way. Don't know, have a look at your vector. So from here, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left. So I need a -6 at the top. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 up. So we need 4 at the bottom. And here, well, I can tell just by looking at it, you've not gone right or left at all. So we need a 0 at the top. And you've gone 2 down, so -2 at the bottom. Okay, hopefully you've done all right with those translations. Don't forget, watch the reflection, rotation, enlargement, and probably the mixture of all of them too. Okay, thank you.